Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today practicals on which we are going to discuss is to demonstrate that temperature affects solubility. Everyone can observe this process in his life that really temperature affect the solubility of a solute. To make a solution, everyone knows about that we had we have to add a solute in a solution. For this practical, the apparatus which we have need is beakers, safety goggles, glass rod, tripod stand, wire gauze, thermometer. That's the apparatus which is needed to demonstrate that practical. The chemicals which we need during this practical is sucrose, which is also called sugar, and distilled water. Essential activity for this practical is that take 50 ml of distilled water in a beaker, hang the thermometer like that with the iron stand, properly set all apparatus, and then we have to adjust all the apparatus. First of all, we will discuss that what is the process which is happening over there. If we take a glass rod or a stirrer and take 50 ml distilled water in this beaker and add some sugar, means sucrose in it, and stir this rod, we can see that all the sucrose will dissolve in it. And if we do the same again, and we will observe that all the solute also dissolve in this beaker. If we dissolve again sucrose, a little amount of sucrose, we will observe that the overall sucrose will not dissolve over there. Its little amount will left in the bottom of this beaker. If we put this beaker over the wire gauze over there on the tripod stand and put a Bunsen burner in the bottom of this beaker and start to heat that solution, we will observe that the amount of solute which will present at the bottom start dissolving in this liquid. And if we add further solute in this solution, we will observe that that solution is also dissolving in that water. तो मतलब ये है कि जैसे जैसे हम लोग इसमें ऐड करते जाएंगे सल्यूट तो इसमें डिसॉल्व होता जाएगा. अब अगर हम लोग इसको उठा के इस बीकर को उठा के इसमें जिसको हम लोग हीट कर रहे थे इसमें सल्यूट डिसॉल्व हो ही जा रहा था, इसको उठा के साइड पर रख दें और इसको ठंडा होने दें, हम लोग देखेंगे कि जितना इजाफी हम लोगों ने सल्यूट इसमें ऐड किया था यानी शुगर ऐड की थी वो आपको वापस जो है वो मिल जाएगी. और जब हम लोग इस सोल्यूशन को हीट करके ज़बरदस्ती इसमें सल्यूट ऐड कर रहे थे तब जो आपके पास सोल्यूशन बन के आएगा सोल्यूशन को हम लोग सुपर सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन का जो है वह नेम देंगे. यहाँ पे जब हम लोग इसको हीट कर लेंगे तो इसमें जो हम लोगों ने इजाफी ज़बरदस्ती यानी हीट करके उसमें सल्यूट ऐड किया था तो उसको कूल करेंगे, ठंडा करेंगे तो वो इजाफी सल्यूट नीचे बैठ जाएगा. अब ये सोल्यूशन सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन जो है वो कहलाएगा. तो हम लोग ये रिजल्ट निकाल सकते हैं कि जो सोल्युबिलिटी है सक्रोज की ये टेम्परेचर पर डिपेंड करती है. टेम्परेचर बढ़ा के आप इसकी सोल्युबिलिटी को जो है क्या कर सकते हैं, बढ़ा सकते हैं.